Hello, welcome back to Retro Ratz. Today
we're going to have a look at the old railway line here in North Devon.
Tarka Trail.
It is classed as the Tarka Trail, you're right.
Beach ins cuts. And we're going to look for things like this along the way. So this is just a Jackie dog walk, but we're taking you with us.
This bridge is called Lee Bridge.
And that's our starting point today. So we've come along in Nippy Nor, and if we haven't made you dizzy enough, come and join us. Popular cycle route.
Cycle path. No worries. Have you noticed how the cutting is? How it comes down and you've got this steady slope going up. Which you can see why the railway was here and how it just slowly went up.
The trees have
Chop,
grown
chop, chop,
where the train hasn't come for so many decades. It's a bit like Wisman's Woods. Jack's on a mission. There are remnants along the brook of old cuttings. And coming up next is another bridge. Some fantastic structures. The effort and the material has gone into building these. And look at that brickwork. Stream running by. Just phenomenal. It's still here and it's still in the condition it's in. Great, isn't it? Don't know if it's relevant to the era. I'm assuming it would have been a signal box of some sort. Mounted above the water. Possibly. The old metal frame windows. Well made. Isn't it, Jackie boy? Well made. Moss on the roof. Solid concrete structure.
Would have been a fireplace there.
So we were just saying about the marvellous engineering that went into making these tracks. And the camera might not pick this up, but that's one steep embankment just there. And just beyond those trees is huge reservoir. If we get a bit more of a clearing, I'm going to show it to you. But that is, so this a heavy train carrying people and goods just here where Peggy's walking, and literally where that little sapling tree is, a steep bank down to the edge of a reservoir. Huge contrast in landscapes. Someone's looking after it. I think this is National Cycleways now, and they've planted trees just on the edge on the bank there to help support the growth and the stability of the bank.
way. Look at this way. Come on. No, this way.
So the train ran just behind this tree here, past this reservoir and carried on. And I must point out that that is a rock face and it's been going on all the way over that hill. So they would have chiselled out and levelled out quite a lot of that rock face. And now we're going to go off round there towards the tunnel. Now I didn't think there'd be any original features left. This is the second part of the reservoir. There's a chap fishing over there. Well, there's an original signal box. Or signal, I should say, not a signal box. Apologies. Signal point. How amazing is that? Still got the light on the top.
That's pretty cool.
And still got the stand. Now this is a part that Peggy was going to get excited about. You excited, Peggy?
Yeah.
You like a tunnel?
I do.
What?
But if you notice, this is one thing you have to look. It would have been a twin tunnels. You'd have had 1 and 2. So this would have been where they would have split, which is why when you saw the signal box at the top, they would hopefully notice you've got sidings. In fact, there's actually another signal box just there.
That's definitely been bricked up, isn't it? There's definitely a tunnel in there. That's recent brickwork. So as Peggy said, 2 tunnels, but unfortunately for us now only this one is still here. Right, let's go down it then. It's great how it curves. I don't know if the camera picks up, but it's actually curving. Do it again. Boop boop. Water coming through. Your eyes have to adjust. That would have been a door between the 2 tunnels. Right. Just coming up is Peggy's signal box. You can see some of the original ironwork there that would have carried the signal, the lines. Yeah, there's one just in daylight here, I'll show you. Just a bit of the original ironwork there, look. That would have carried the line across. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Let's have a look at this side of the tunnel. I bet that's really damp in there. There is air hole up there, so there's probably home for bats for now. But yeah, amazing, it's still there. We're going to have a look at the next signal box. More like a station platform, but could be a signal box that's just lost its edges. Who knows?
I'd say it's probably a signal box.
The last one, and if you look at it,
Yeah, there you go.
this one's got the same. So what Peggy pointed out in the last one, when Jack comes through the right bit, well,
You've got a half.
there's the half,
A hole for the
and the hole for the flue for
chimney.
the chimney. Yeah, not my work, but my sentiment. So we've walked a bit further now, and there's Ilfracombe Bank up there, and this is marked as Ilfracombe Station. Now, there isn't really much left to see, but that point there says Ilfracombe Station, and there looks like a car park just here, so we're just going to go around the corner. There is a tiny bit, I don't know if you can see it, there's a tiny bit of brickwork left down there. That's the only remnants left of this part of Ilfracombe Station. So we don't think the train would have curved as fast as that and as steep as that. So there's a brand new bit of car park here, and there's a drop down older car park there. So we're assuming they would have ran through there, but we're going to follow the trail and see where else it comes out. We're just on the edge.
It does come out to Station Road, actually, in Ilfracombe, so
yeah,
that gives you a hint.
We are right on the edge now. I just found this bolt, or nut I should say. It's got no threads inside. I'd say that's original heritage. Nice. So literally I was just stood there when I said that, and we've come across this, and it says you are here. That's the track we would have followed, and we're there now. So the track would, so this is all car park now, and it comes in here. So literally round this corner we're just into Ilfracombe. So we've actually walked the whole distance. That does look a bit different now. This is a beautiful valley. There's a lot more houses now, and there's a picture of the train. Brilliant.
And passing Slade Reservoirs in 1962.
Oh, there you go, and that's where we walked earlier, and we walked down into the reservoir bits. I'll take these as separate photos for you at the end, and we're just going to end the video
So
as we get around the corner.
Where we've just walked from. So we have walked from, there's Ilfracombe Station, it's not that section. There, where it says parking.
Yeah.
We've walked from there, and we've gone to here.
Doesn't look far on the map.
So it's 3k.
Yeah,
So if I, 3k, yeah.
Yeah, so we're just going to go around the
5K,
corner
sorry.
to get to the end of the track, because it ended
Yeah.
there, and
3K.
yeah. So this large factory that extends back here, comes across, is built on the original terminus, and there's a sign down there, and I'm going to show you the view of Ilfracombe, and this is where the railway would have ended. I'm kind of pleased that it's still industrial above the terminus. It's kind of like kept its essence of obviously the Industrial Revolution and the railway and that. So even though it's not railway related, it's a factory now. I'm just still kind of pleased that it's industrial. So we're just going to walk the last few yards to the end of the track. And here we are at the end of the Tarka Trail.
At Ilfracombe.
At Ilfracombe, where it ended. This is the terminus. Where this van's coming through now. This would have been the spot on the end of the railway. So I'm going to turn the camera and show you the road that would have joined up to the terminus.
Which is, as I said, it's called Station Road.
There you go. So apologies for the wind noise, I didn't bring the mics with us. But that is Station Road, so as you can imagine they would have come around here, come to about here. There would have been some beautiful gates to a station, all sadly lost in this modern construction. And the path for the Tarka Trail starts there, and we're going to head back now. Back to Nippy Norm.
Yeah.
Jackie Boy's had a great time, haven't you, Jackie Boy? You enjoyed it?
I'm going to go back this way.
And there's Ilfracombe, the sea. And the start, just down there, of the A361. So thanks for joining us.
And remember, people, to stay safe and stay retro.
See you on the next one.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do. 'Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should song.